did it, you did it, you did it, you did it.
Excuse me.
Go get it, go get it.
Get her, take a getter, go right on top and just shoot her.
Mike,
What?
what's the FPS on that gun?
330.
330, nice. It's not bad at all. Is that with or without the silencer?
That doesn't matter.
Really?
Yeah, it really doesn't make much of a difference. Not really.
That's cool.
Yes. Yes, there it is. Get it. Get it.
So Mike,
Yes. What?
I think you should drop by one of these next couple of days at Subway wearing your cousin's stuff.
I'll get mad at